really early to make the caramel rolls. I'm a little upset I'm wearing a long sleeve shirt. Like, can we get a couple more 90-degree days? Please. There's still not a pumpkin growing on anywhere that had a flower. So I think I'm screwed because it's already the end of August. And while they flower every day, no pumpkins have grown. Doing my steps. 7:30, I've only got 5,000. So I need to get to 10. We were on the boat and it actually felt like summer again. So my wish came true. Why are you guys fighting? Trying to escape. Trying to escape, I see. Super zoomies right now. Okay, but for real, like when there's like a hint of fall in the air, I do want summer to like last, but it's like the best feeling. I love fall. I love when it feels like winter, when it's almost Christmas. Like, how could you live somewhere with no seasons? The changing of the seasons gives me the most joy. So, are you choking on a water balloon? It's 10 p.m. I'm having coffee, thinking I can hopefully not feel tired. I put on my skincare, you guys, so I look wild. But anyway, coffee. Even though it's not gonna work. So.